T-Mobile account suspensions are protective measures to prevent fraud, financial loss, or network abuse. Common reasons include unpaid bills, especially if over $50 and 30 days past due. Suspected identity theft, like SIM swapping, where hackers port your number. Excessive roaming or data overage, or violating service terms, such as illegal sharing. You'll usually get a warning notification via text, email, or the app before a full suspension. Determine if your suspension is temporary or permanent. Temporary suspensions usually relate to billing issues and are resolved upon payment. Permanent suspensions often stem from repeated fraud attempts or serious violations of terms. The resolution steps will differ depending on the type of suspension you're facing. If you have trouble determining the type of suspension, contact T-Mobile support. First, use the My T-Mobile app or website to check your account status. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding the suspension. Specifically, review your bill for outstanding balances. Also, check for any unusual activity, like unexpected data usage or changes to your account information. This preliminary check can give you clues about the cause of the suspension. T-Mobile's account recovery tool, accessible through the app or website, can automate much of the resolution process. It uses one-time passwords and device recognition to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to confirm your information. This tool is especially helpful for recovering accounts suspended due to suspected fraud, helping reduce recovery times from days to hours. Biometric verification may also be required. Regardless of the method you use, you'll likely need to verify your identity. This may involve uploading a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Here are examples of a driver's license and passport that you might upload. In some cases, you might need to visit a T-Mobile store in person. The more quickly and accurately you verify your identity, the faster the process will go, particularly if the suspension resulted from T-Mobile's enhanced fraud detection. If the suspension is due to an unpaid bill, pay the outstanding balance immediately. You can typically do this through the My T-Mobile app, website, or by calling customer service. Once the payment is processed, the suspension should be lifted, but it may take a few hours for the system to update. Consider setting up auto pay to prevent future suspensions for this reason. If the account recovery tool doesn't resolve your suspension issue, or if you suspect an error occurred, contact T-Mobile customer support directly. You have several options to reach them. You can call T-Mobile customer support at their dedicated phone numbers for personal or business accounts. Visit their website for the most current contact information. Use the chat feature available in the My T-Mobile app for immediate assistance with account issues. You can also reach out via social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook, where T-Mobile representatives respond to customer inquiries. When contacting support, explain your situation clearly and be prepared to provide relevant information. This includes your account number and specific details about the suspension. Be ready to answer security questions to verify your identity, which may include details like your billing address or the last 4 digits of your SSN. Having this information ready will help T-Mobile support resolve your account suspension more quickly and efficiently.